In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $200 a day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So for those who don't know, CPA marketing stands for cost per action marketing, which means all you literally need to do is to get people to take certain actions and you make money. And these actions usually include people installing an app, signing up for an offer, entering a giveaway, and all that. So basically, you don't really need to get people to purchase any product before you earn money. So I'm going to show you how to do all that in today's video. And if you take a look right here, you can see I've gotten leads from several countries right here. If I scroll down here, including United States. So I'm going to show you how you can do all this in today's video, and you can get leads from all over the world and start making easy money online with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to sign up to a CPA network, and there are so many ones out there that you can use. You can come over to use the one I'm showing you on the screen right now, which is ogads.com, or you can use other ones like CPA Grip, or you can also use cpalead.com. Whichever CPA network you want to use is absolutely fine. All you need to do is to make sure to follow all the steps I'm going to walk you through in today's video. So once you sign up to any CPA network of your choice, the next thing you want to then do is to go over to the offers section. So once you do that, taking OJ ads as an example, like I said, CPA marketing requires people to install app, submit their email address, or sign up to various offers. Okay, so for this video, we are going to be taking app install as an example because this is literally easy. All people need to do is to install these apps and you make money. So the next thing you want to then look for is offer that is available in a lot of countries. Okay, and to do this is very simple. Right, so all you just need to do is to scroll down here and you are going to see some offers that are available in various countries, like this one right here, which is Travel Town, and as you can see, it's available in over 200 countries, which means we can literally promote this app and get traffic from every country and still make money. So you can keep going through each of the pages and you are going to find offers that are available in multiple countries. As you can see, this offer here, Cash Alarm, is available in over 5 countries, which you can start promoting right away. And as you can see, the payout here pays over $8 for someone just installing this app. Okay, you can see this is also another offer here for NordVPN, which is available in multiple countries as well. So this is up to you. You can keep scrolling through each of these pages, and as you can see right here, you are going to find a lot of offers that are available in multiple countries. And this is also another good offer here that you can promote, which is Coin Dozer, which is going to pay people from $1.51 for installing the app. So as you can see, this is a very good strategy for CPA marketing any beginner can use to start making money right away. So if you don't want to use OG ads, that is absolutely fine. You can also come over to CPA Grip. All you need to do is to make sure come over to all countries and you want to make sure to select mobile installed. And if you do that, you're going to see a lot of app installed that are available in multiple countries, which you can start promoting to people. So if I scroll down here, you can see this offer as an example, which is this Cash Em All offer. You can see it's available in Denmark and it pays $3 for people just installing this app. And if I even scroll down more, you can see this offer is also available in Norway. If I scroll down again, you can see it's available in New Zealand and also in Sweden as well. So basically, you want to make sure to pick the right offer to promote when it comes to using this strategy. So once you pick an offer, the next thing you want to then do is to create a landing page, and you can use any landing page builder of your choice. But for me, I like to use breezy.io. So once you come over to breezy.io, as you can see, they have a trial version which you can use to get started right away. So once you come over here, you will be able to start building your landing page by clicking on that plus button. You are going to see various templates you can use to start creating landing pages right away. So once you've chosen the right app install offer to promote on CPA Grip or from OG Ads, all you simply need to do from here is to boost that offer. So I'm going to take the coin dozer offer as an example, and here you want to come over to active. You want to change this to boosted. All right, so as you can see right here, I have boosted all this coin dozer offer like this. And now the next thing you want to then do is to come over to tools, and you want to go over to content lockers. Then you want to click on create a new locker. So once you do this, all you then need to do from here is to give your locker a name. So I'm just going to type in coin dozer here. Okay. So once you do this, then you want to scroll down and you want to change this to remove locker. Okay. Then you want to come over to the most important section, which is this advanced. So once you come over here, you want to leave this as 1, and then you want to scroll down here and you want to come over to where it says only boosted offer, and you want to click on enabled. Okay, so if you do this, this means it's going to show only boosted offer on your locker. I hope this makes sense. Okay, and now you want to then come over to mobile, since we are targeting mobile traffic, and then you want to scroll down here and you want to make sure to leave this offer as 1, and then you want to scroll down to where it says maximum offer, and then you want to change this to 1. If you do that, as you can see, it's going to show only that offer you boosted on the offer page. So you then want to come over to this section, and here you want to change this to download below, because people are going to see only one offer here, and once they click on the offer and they install it, you make money. Okay, so this is all you need to do, and you want to click on create locker. So once you do that, you are going to see your link here, which is a link you are going to be driving traffic to. And now I'm going to show you the best traffic source you can use to start getting instant traffic and start making money. So you want to go over to x.com, which is formerly known as twitter.com. So once you come over to this platform, all you need to do is to create a free account. So once you create an account, you're going to see this section that says communities. And once you click on this, this is where you are going to see communities from various niches, ranging from sports, technology, art, entertainment. And if you click on this arrow button, you are going to see even more communities that you can join on Twitter. All right. Okay. So now we are going to take the gaming community, because these people here are related to the offer we are promoting, since we are promoting a gaming offer. And now once you click on that, you are going to see this community, and you want to click on this section right here. And if you do that, this is going to show you this community. And as you can see, this community of gamers here has over 65,000 members, which you can promote this offer to. Okay. And now, like I said, this doesn't matter what country they come from, because this offer is available in a lot of countries, and there's a very high chance we are going to make money promoting this offer. Okay, so all you then need to do from here is to then click on the members. And if you do that, you are going to see all the members of this community. And just like I mentioned earlier, these members are from various countries, which means you can make money from this offer. Okay, so all you need to do from here is to start following these members right here, because we already know they are interested in this niche. Okay, so you want to follow as many people as possible. I highly recommend to keep it minimal if you are starting on the first day, to about 20 to 30 followers per day. And I can assure you, these members are very, very active, and many of them are going to follow you back right away. So once these people start following you back, you are going to see a DM feature, which means you can send a direct message to these people straight to their inbox. All right, because they are already following you back. And now to do that, I'm going to give you a script which you can use to send a DM to these people and start collecting leads. So you want to send a very captivating script like this. Hey, just wondering if you have seen this new game. All right. And then you want to scroll down to the bottom and make sure to mention that they don't have to pay any money. It's absolutely free for them to download this game. And you want to also tell them to let you know if they also enjoy this game. This is very important, and it's going to increase the conversion rate, because these people have to, first of all, download this game before they let you know whether they enjoy the game or not. Okay. And now this is where you want to add in your landing page link. And also, when you are creating your landing page, you want to make sure to include your OG ads content locker link right here. And if you are using CPA grip, you don't need to create a content locker. You can just promote that direct CPA offer link. CPA grip algorithm is going to automatically show that same offer to people as long as it's available in that country. I hope this makes sense. So just like I said, you want to create a landing page from breezy.io, and the landing page link is what you want to include right here, because most social media platforms these days don't like CPA link or affiliate link at all. So it's very important you create a landing page which is going to prevent your account from getting banned and getting deleted. So just join communities related to that offer you are promoting and start reaching out to people who are interested in that niche. And I can assure you, you are going to get amazing results as well. So basically, if you like this video, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen, as this is the next video you should watch after this one.